welcome to another yoga class. Today we're looking at increasing flexibility, staying adaptable. We're going to be particularly focusing on our hamstrings, our core engagement, and let's begin, let's start. Why wait? There won't be any bouncing either. So enjoy this more grounded session. So we're just going to lift and lower one heel at a time. We're also going to start from the floor, from the ground, and our feet, and work our way up. So we're just lifting and lowering one heel at a time. This is nice. It's a good, easy way to start your day or start your session. Beautiful. And you can even bring that heel down quite firmly so you can feel that up through the legs, probably into the bones. Good work. One at a time now, we're going to swivel the heels left to right. So it's sort of like, the balls of our feet are staying connected, and it's like we're dancing at our old school disco, the old disco days, or socials. Who remembers those fun times? Yeah, so left to right, swiveling. We're warming up our ankles, but the rest of our body is sort of engaging as well in a nice, easy way. Let your shoulders relax and bring a little shake into your hands, and even let's bring our hips in side to side. Bring our hip movements. Great. And let that, now if this shaking is too much for you, just let it be circles. If there's any pain, if you've got arthritis, anything that makes that uncomfortable, but you can shake as rigorously as you like if you don't have those issues. So make it work for you. Great, now we're really looking like a disco bandit. Those fun times in the MPU or whatever hall you did it in. If you're country folk, you might have done it at the CWA hall. A little party there. All right, last shake, and bring in the legs for a little wobble, and the other leg. Awesome. Hands on your hips now. I'm going to turn to the side. We're going to just kick our legs, so bring our hips in, and it's just a flick. And imagine you're flicking any tiredness or any tension out of your legs from your hips away. So have that intention, that feeling of just kicking anything that's holding you back from freedom or moving easily today. Good. And you can kick as high as you like. If you're getting a nice hamstring stretch already, keep it low. Keep the back nice and straight, the heart open. So anything that rises up can be transformed into love and compassion. Let the heart work too. The heart work its magic. And we're also creating a bit of heat already. Good. Now let's kick one at a time. Okay, so I'm going to turn to the side, and we'll just kick with the right leg, well, whatever leg that you're kicking with. One leg, just choose one. And you're sort of landing back on the ball of your foot. So the weight's moving from backward to forward, to the back leg, then to the front leg. You can get your arms involved if you like, or you can keep your hands on your hips. Now start to pivot. Just slowly, it's not fast. Make it feel lovely. Kind of honoring each direction that exists around you, and you're in the center. And then once you get to the starting point again, have a little shake, and let's just kick the other side. Just starting to notice how that feels, to take the weight on the back leg and then the front leg. There's like a soothing rocking motion here. Good. Now come around in a circle, honoring all the directions around yourself, wherever your heart desires to kick outward and then back. Take your time. We're not playing a game, a fast game here. Once you get to where you started, good. Have a little shake, shaking both legs. Okay, I'm facing you again, And let's just lift the hands up gently and bend through the knees as you come down, untuck through the spine, coming up. So a wave-like motion, moving up, arching the spine, and then lengthening the spine, opening up the front of the body. Beautiful, expanding through the front of the body. Now you can reach as high as you like. If you've got no heart or blood pressure issues that are unmanaged, you can reach up as high as you like. And the same goes for if you want to lower the head down towards the ground. If you don't have any heart or blood pressure issues, then folding forward. But if you do, just keep your head at heart height. Keep the movements a little bit less. Beautiful. And honor whatever's happening to your body today. Pressing your feet into the ground. Taking the time to move each vertebra at a time. Keeping the spine flexible. Nice. Now, the next time you come down, you can either rest the hands on the thighs without any pressure, lengthening through the back of the body, getting a hamstring stretch there. Or if it's safe for you, if you don't have those heart blood pressure issues, you can forward fold down, relax the neck and the shoulders here. And peace pose, breathing deeply. You can even bend through the knees and rest the belly on the thighs. Breathing in and out. Feel the belly expanding across the thighs and then releasing. Beautiful. Come back up when you're ready. Nice and slow. All right. We're going to take our legs out wider. If you're on your menstrual cycle, keep them in a little bit, not so wide. So hands on your hips, bending, but don't take the knees past the ankles. So when we bend into the squat, and hopefully you can see that, I'll stay this way. Bending and lifting, so we're coming into our beautiful squats. These are great for our core muscles and our pelvic floors. Squeezing through the glutes and the thighs as well. So it's quite nice. All right, if you want to just drop your hands and lift one arm and then lift the other. So just circling. You don't have to go as high as me. You can just circle with the hand at the throat, or you can make a great big circle in front if it feels better for you to open up the shoulder girdle. Nice. And then you can bring both hands and move at a pace that's right for you. If you need to stop and take a break or have a drink, please do that, because this is quite warm work. And now slow down and move with the breath. Breathing in as you lift the hands, breathing out as you lower. And imagine you're taking off any layers of yourself that aren't working for you today. Any irritation, any discomfort. Like you're taking off a jumper, take off that emotional baggage. And almost a flick with the fingers, like you're flicking it away. See it leave, in fact. Breathe it out, if you like. Notice the images that might come up as you do this. Or the thoughts, the words. Those words that don't work for you anymore. Those negative words. Let them go. See them leave. And don't look for them again. Good. Hands on hips, and we're just going to lift our hips from side to side. I like this one. It's quite an unusual feeling. Good. And then let's start to lift and lower one leg. This is nice too. We don't often do this. And then start to kick back, just slightly, so you can squeeze through the glutes. This will be warming. Anytime we work with the glutes, it warms us up. It might also spark some creativity, so flow with that afterwards. Good. Squeeze. Have a good squeeze in the glutes. like a donkey kick, not quite. Just a glute squeeze. Good. Start to lean away from the leg that's squeezing, and you can even reach. See what that feels like. Reach that hand away. You can keep it low and reach to the side, or bring it up high and get a good side stretch. Go with what's right for you. Lengthen from the heel all the way to the fingertips. And if you need to slow down for that, I'm getting puffed. I don't know about you. Okay. Have a shake. Catch your breath. Have a drink. Great to rehydrate. And then we're stepping forward and back with one leg. Okay. Mine's my right, it could be your left if you're mirroring me. Hands on your hips, but not for long. So just get that motion. Then when the foot comes forward, swing the arms forward. When the foot comes back, swing your arms forward too. So find that movement, that rhythm. If it feels uncomfortable, change it a little bit, or just notice what's happening, and just check that when that foot's forward, your arms are lifted. When the foot's back, your arms are lifted. But go at your own pace. You can come up onto tippy toes if you like, and that's stretching through the ankles. You can get that stretch all the way up through the leg if you go high enough. If your awareness is the whole leg. Good. This is great for the shoulders as well. Breathing in as the arms lift. Breathing out as they lower down. Good. Come back to center. Let them swing. Close your eyes. Let them stop at their own pace. Good. Now just stepping forward and back with the opposite foot. Take your time to find your rhythm, find your pace, feel comfortable, and let your arms come in as soon as that's right for you. Once you've found some comfort with it, I suppose, or your rhythm, really let the shoulders open up, the shoulder girdle relax, tension release. Get the weight of the world off your shoulders. Come up into tippy toes if that's right for you, or just stay moving forward and back comfortably, whatever's right. Beautiful. Nice. Come back to center. Okay. We can step forward with the left leg. Mine's my right. I'm going to step back so you can see it. I just want your hands to be on your thigh if it's comfortable. And then we're just going to glide forward into a half fold. And already we can feel that beautiful hamstring stretch. You could also feel it in the back of your knee. Lengthen through the neck and the crown. So we're at 90 degrees, tabletop or thereabouts. Now, if you've got no heart issues or blood pressure issues, then just let the hands slide down and let the head fold forward. Hands on the ground if you can, or connected to your body. Feel the soles of your feet grounded. And just relax the head, neck and shoulders with that hamstring stretch. Just holding it here and let the head just wobble, wibble, wobble from side to side. Release anything in the neck. Ooh, it's so good. Beautiful. Bend through the front knee and uncurl coming up. Press into the front foot. Slowly coming up. Take your time. Step back with your feet underneath your hips. Now take the other leg back so that left leg is forward, or just do the leg that you didn't do last time. Bring that one forward. Okay, hand on the thigh, loving thoughts and kindness with the hands on the thigh, and slide that down the front leg, just a tabletop. Already you're feeling the stretch, probably I am too. If you relax into that muscle and into the hamstring, so if you're relaxing into the thigh and the hamstring, you might feel it a little bit more. Gives it a nice stretch. And imagine there are rubber bands and they're just stretching. Now, if you've got no issues to fold forward, glide that hand down further and relax. Hands on the ground or the foot, wherever's right for you. Feel that beautiful stretch and release the head, neck, and shoulders. I like my hands on the ground. It gives me more balance. I just like to feel more of myself on the ground. It helps to ground me. And then I'm just wibble wobbling my head from side to side, gently releasing my neck from the shoulders all the way to C1. Beautiful. Breathing in and out through the nose. Bend through the front knee and uncurl, coming up, pressing into that front foot. Let your head be the last to lift and your shoulders roll back. Stepping your feet beneath your hips again. Feet together, standing into Tadasana, tucking the pelvis under slightly and lengthening through the back of the body. The vertebra moving, lifting up, expanding. And on an out breath, relaxing through all the muscles, but keeping the integrity in your spine, with your crown reaching up to the sun or the clouds or the sky. Heart open, hands in front of your heart. Beautiful. And just after this, you might like to go into crocodile just for a few breaths, or 3 minutes or 10 minutes. It's a lovely practice to do after you've done an activation or anything that might feel different now. So if we're coming down into crocodile, you're lying the front of your body on the ground, one palm on top of the other, and the forehead resting on the back of the hands. And then the feet are pointing away, heels fall into the midline. And just breathe in and out, feeling your belly expanding and relaxing with each in and out breath. Notice your heart drumming against the earth, and stay here for as long as you like. I let go, I let go, I let go, and just notice what you're letting go of. If anything comes to mind, or if it doesn't, that's fine. Coming back into child's pose when you're ready. And letting your hands help you to uncurl, coming up. Wonderful. And just take with you that increased flexibility, the opportunity to be more adaptable, or to adapt maybe a little bit more gracefully than before. Feel your hamstrings with a bit more freedom, and notice your core engagement as you move through the day. Om Shanti. Hi everyone. Now if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share it. And if you're interested in future classes, please click on the link below and follow the prompts. See you at your next class. Bye.